Hello friends, today we are going to discuss profit and loss appropriation account as one of the fundamentals of partnership accounting and how to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. In 11th class, we have studied the basics of the accounts like debit and credit rules, journal entry, ledgers, preparation of trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, which is prepared from the trial balance. In business studies, we have also studied the sole proprietorship, partnership, company, joint Hindu family system. These all systems is concerned और डूइंग बिजनेस टू अर्न प्रॉफिट. प्रॉफिट ही एक ऐसा सोर्स है जिसके लिए बिजनेस या व्यापार किया जाता है. प्रॉफिट ना हो तो कोई भी आदमी व्यापार या बिजनेस करने के लिए तैयार नहीं होता. जहाँ तक प्रॉफिट का सवाल है, प्रॉफिट इज अर्नड एंड इज नॉट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड बट इज ए पार्ट ऑफ द सोल ट्रेडर सिस्टम. एकल व्यापारी सोल ट्रेडर जो कि व्यापार से जो ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट या प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस से जो प्रॉफिट कमाता है और खर्चे करने के बाद वो प्रॉफिट सारा उसी का होता है. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट के अंदर हम डेबिट साइड में सारे एक्सपेंसेस रखते हैं और क्रेडिट साइड में हम सारे प्रॉफिट्स या इनकम जो हमें रिसीव होती है वो लिखी जाती है. 11th के अंदर ये सारा सोल प्रोवाइडर के अंदर इसमें सारा प्रॉफिट जो है सोल प्रोवाइडर को मिल जाता है. लेकिन सोल प्रोवाइडर की कुछ अपनी कमियां हैं, अपनी लिमिटेशंस हैं, अपने डिसएडवांटेजेस हैं, विच आर लिमिटेड कैपिटल, रिस्क बेयरिंग, लॉस बेयरिंग, स्किल की कमी होना, एक्सपर्टाइज का कमी होना, नॉलेज का कमी होना, टाइम की कमी होना, जिससे कि वो सारा टाइम ही कैन नॉट डिवोट ऑन द बिजनेस एंड फॉर दैट पर्पज ही रिक्वायर्स द असिस्टेंस ऑफ अनदर पर्सन. उस पर्सन के लिए अरेंजमेंट करना और उनको बिजनेस को बिजनेस में लाना, एक चलते हुए बिजनेस, ही शुड बिकम ए पार्ट ऑफ द बिजनेस रनिंग बिजनेस. इट इज़ अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट एस्पेक्ट एंड डिफिकल्ट कंसिडरेशन एंड यू टू enlarge to grow the business. Sole proprietor think of taking the help of another person in terms of money, in terms of skill, in terms of expertise, knowledge and time, etc. So he decides to get the help of another person and try to and enter into an agreement, an arrangement with the other person who contribute the capital, skill, knowledge, talent, expertise, and definitely he should be a part of the profit. And previously it was a profit of one person. Now in partnership the profit is becoming the part of the two persons. And distribution of profit is known as appropriation of profit. The partnership is, as I said, is an arrangement, an agreement between the two partners or more than two partners. Agreement means written document, evidence, a deed, which has been also studied in the 11th and 12th. You are going to study as part of the business partnership deed. Partnership deed is an agreement between the partners. Terms and conditions laid down in the agreement, how the business will run. It may be a name of the partners, name of the office, address of the office, and other things about. The main things of the partnership deed are interest on capital, interest on loan, interest on drawings, salary if paid, commission if paid to the partners, general reserve if you want to set aside, as or any other terms and conditions as may be laid down in the agreement of the partnership deed. Sometimes the terms and conditions are silent. If the terms and conditions are silent, then the everything be distributed or in a equal manner. Is equitable contribution of everything means 50. If there are two partners, then 50-50. If there are more than two partners, say 3, then 33%, and so on. For that purpose, we prepare a trading account, profit and loss account, balance sheet, etc., as is prepared in the trading account in the sole proprietors, to know how much profit has been earned in a current year by the sole proprietor. Since the profit is to be distributed amongst the partners, the name of the partnership, the name of the profit and loss account is changed as profit and loss appropriation account. Appropriation means distribution of profit amongst the partners. As in profit and loss account, debit side shows all expenses and credit side shows all incomes, whatever has been received from any part, and deducting the incomes, the expenses, one is come about to earn the profit earned during the financial year. That profit and loss, the profit is mentioned on the credit side of the profit and loss account, and the debit side, whatever is to be given to the partner, and it is treated as expense. Whatever things has to be given to the partner is mentioned. Interest on capital. The capital is contributed by the partners, so they want that capital should get the interest. If the amount is invested in the bank, one gets the interest from the bank, but in the business, one is not getting the interest. Therefore, if the partners agree, a flexible or fixed amount of interest on capital is paid to the partners. Likewise, partners sometimes grant loan to the firms, and that rate of interest is also charged on loans from the firms. The partners also withdraw some amount from the business to run his day-to-day expenses of the house expenses. The drawings means reducing the capital of the partners. If the partners are charging interest on capital, to equate that, whatever amount has been withdrawn from the business, the firm should levy or charge interest on such an amount. Therefore, interest on drawings is a profit for the business, and that has been mentioned on the CAD side of the profit loss appropriation account. Partnership deed, if says, or in partnership theory, you must have studied that they are sleeping partners, active partners. If the active partner want to get the salary for the whole time business, so if agreed, the salary is also paid to the partner, which is mentioned on the debit side of the profit and loss account. Likewise, if commission is to be paid, if agreed, then the commission rate of commission is mentioned and is paid to the partner. Whatever things has to be paid to the partners is mentioned on the debit side of the profit and loss appropriation account, and whatever we are getting from the partners is mentioned on the credit side of the profit and loss account. Sometimes partners agree that part of the profit may be transferred to the general reserves as security. That amount also be mentioned on the debit side of the profit and loss appropriation account. After matching the things, both the sides, of balancing both the sides, whatever profit comes, that profit is divisible between the partners at the laid down terms and condition or the fixed ratio person which is known as profiting sharing ratio, which you will study in chapter 4. But if the question doesn't say anything, the profit and loss, that profit is distributed amongst the partners equally. Likewise, if the debit side of the account is more than the credit side, then the loss is to the comes, and that loss is also transferred to the profit and loss account equally, or as may be agreed on the profiting sharing ratio. This is what all about the profit and loss appropriation account. You have to study, you have to read the question carefully. Sometimes the question says before profit and after profit. If the question says before profit, the profit is so much before profit, then you have to deduct salary, interest on capital from the divisible from the distributed profit and loss account, otherwise not. And these before and after plays have a very important role in solving the questions. You must consider that, and you must mark the words before or after, then only the question will be solved and we will come to the accurate question of the things. Now, for example, I will take the example, says A and B are the partners. A's capital is rupees 1 lakh and B's capital is 60,000. Interest on capital is payable at the rate 6% per annum. B is entitled to a salary of rupees 3,000 per month profit for the current year. Before interest and salary to B, rupees 80,000. Here the word is mentioned before interest and salary payable to B, the profit is 80,000. Now if we prepare a profit and loss appropriation account, the profit is 80,000, which is mentioned on the credit side of the profit and loss account. Since the question says before interest and salary, we'll mention in the debit side of the profit and loss appropriation account, interest on capital, A's interest is 6,000, B's is 3,600, because the capital of A is 1 lakh, the rate of interest is 6% per annum, the interest comes to 6,000, and B's capital is 60,000, rate of interest on capital is 6%, so 6,000 plus 3,600 comes to 9,600. Now salary has to be paid to the B. So B salary comes to 3,600 at the rate of rupees 3,000 per month. The total comes to 3,600 plus 9,600 which is deducted from the profit 80,000. So if we deduct from that, the profit comes to 34,400, which is equally distributed amongst or between the partners A and B, which comes to rupees 17,200, and which will be transferred to the profit and loss or to the partners capital account. That capital account may be fixed or fluctuating. For that purpose, I will make another video where we explain you the fixed capital or fluctuating capital. Now I think so you are aware of the profit and loss account. If you have any doubts, you can ask me the doubts on my telephone number 9899003566. My name is Sudhir Kumar Abulla. Thank you very much.